You can organize your apps into folders on a Google Pixel phone, but there's one key difference compared to most Android phones. For whatever reason, Pixel phones currently don't allow you to organize apps into folders in the app drawer. When I pick an app from the app drawer and long press it to move it, it can only be added to the home screen, which is where you can group apps into folders. So, App Drawer can't really be touched, and we'll have to set up our folders on the home screen. I'll go ahead and add a couple of apps on my home screen first, because to put these into a folder, you'll obviously need to add them to the home screen if you haven't done it already. Tap, hold, and drag an app, and it'll go on the home screen. Once I have my apps on the home screen, I can now tap, hold, and drag an app and drop it on top of another app. My phone creates a little folder, and I can repeat this as many times as I want to add more apps into the folder. Now my apps are all contained in this little folder, and when I tap the folder to expand the view, I can give it a name. You don't have to name it, but it might make it easier to navigate your phone and find what you're looking for. The folder itself can be moved on the home screen just like you'd move your app icons. Tap, hold, and drag it. And you can move it across different home screen pages as well. If you want to remove apps from the folder, you'll just go to the folder and drag an app out of it. And that's pretty much it. A lot of Android phones allow you to do this same folder setup both in the app drawer and on the home screen, but Pixel limits this to the home screen only. At least for now. Could change with future updates, who knows? That's all. Click the like button if this helped, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks all.